My name is Sneha Shah and welcome to the Transforming Life series. Just yesterday, I was having a coaching session with one of my clients and her husband, and I realized that in the 1 hour that we spent together, both of them only spoke about what's not okay with each other. The important point here is what we focus our energy on grows in our experience. So, if we focus our energy on what's not right in the world and people around us, that's going to grow in our experience. Now, imagine for a moment you were to change this perspective and you were to start focusing on what is going right in your life. So, while there are things which may not be working well, what are the things that are going well in your life? Now, when you focus on what's going good, it creates such a wonderful shift in the energy. You feel happier, you feel more positive, you feel more optimistic, simply because you are now choosing to create more of what is good in your life. Remember the last time that you were happy and you were focused on something really going well in your life. How did your body feel? Did you feel a surge of energy? Did you feel like you wanted to do a lot of things? Did you catch yourself smiling a lot more, being patient with yourself and with people around you? That's the magic. So take a moment to focus right now on what is working well in your life. What are you blessed with? What are you most grateful for? And take a moment and write down in the comments below.